Welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. On this channel, I thrive on turning trash to treasure, scoring garage sales, and making the most of Dollar Tree finds, all while staying within the budget. If this aligns with your style, you found the perfect spot. And now let's go ahead and get ready for our first project. I have 3 fish bowls, and these fish bowls I'm gonna go ahead and paint them in the inside with white chalk paint, and I'm gonna do that to all 3 of them. So I waited some time and everything is completely dry. So now with some hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and start gluing all these 3 pieces together, and I am creating a beautiful snowman. And did I say snowman? Well, guess what? Today is a collaboration and it is Snowman Showdown. It is being hosted by CraftsUnLeashedbyRobin and Craftastic DIY by Janice. I'm going to be leaving their links directly to their channel down in my description box along with a playlist. Don't forget to show them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. And now let's go ahead and continue with this beautiful snowman. As you can tell, I'm adding plenty of hot glue and I'm just stacking them up one on top of the other. And now let's go ahead and give him a scarf. I took this beautiful glittery ribbon. I believe I purchased this at Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tuck it in with some hot glue. And of course, I'm gonna be giving it some eyes, of course, the nose, and a couple of buttons. And now it's time to add the hat. I have this beautiful glittery hat that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I'll be securing it with plenty of hot glue. And of course, off camera, I added some buttons, and this is the final results. Moving on to our second DIY. This cutting board is so beautiful that I'm going to be leaving this side exactly how it is, and I am going to be giving it one coat, and that is a heavy coat to the back of this cutting board, and this is going to be a 2-sided. Now that everything is dry, I'm going to be creating a snowman face. Almost done. Let me just add this ribbon, and this is also from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be showing you the final review in a second. Let me know what you think, and if you do like it so far, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. And now moving on to our third DIY. And moving on to our next project, I have this little plaque, and this I purchased at Dollar General, and I think I purchased it for like 10 cents because it was on sale. I'm giving it one entire coat of white chalk paint, and once it's done, then I'm gonna come in with the red acrylic paint from Apple Barrel, and I will be giving it one coat to this upper section here and the bottom, as well the three legs. Okay, so now I am going to be adding the snowman face. And this is it. I am adding this beautiful bowl. Of course, I made this off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and trim this little corner right here. And this is it. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I will show you now the final review. Look at how gorgeous. Moving along with our fourth DIY. This wood round here I'm recycling. I'm gonna go ahead and give it one coat to all this front side right here with this white chalk paint. So now that everything is completely dry, I have this little bitty snowman from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and add plenty of hot glue, and then this snowman is gonna go right on top of this little wood round. And with this baker's twine, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it right here on the wood round. Once that is done, I also have some wood beads, and these were left over from a different project, but all I'm going to be doing is alternating one and one, and I am going to be doing that several times. Once that is done, then I have a tassel. I'm going to be tying it to the other corner, and this would be absolutely it. I am loving this little bitty tassel. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And of course, everything is put together. So I'm going to pull out this golden sunset, and I'm going to go ahead and give it one coat to the entire round piece, but of course only in the border, just to make sure that it matches with the golden sunset wood beads. I also want to remind you that this is part of a collaboration. Please don't forget to go down in my description box once you watch this video and visit these talented creators to see what other inspiration they are bringing to your home. This is all done. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts, and now for the final review. And And now for the fifth DIY and final. I have these beautiful ornament, and it is the head of a snowman along with this little plaque. And I also have a Y and a J. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is I am going to be giving it one heavy coat with, again, white chalk paint. I've been using this throughout my projects, and if you haven't noticed, yes, white is my favorite color. Once I'm done giving the entire coat, I'm coming in with this Jenga black, and I'm also going to be doing the same thing. And once everything is completely dry, I'm going to go ahead and start assembling everything together. A big thanks to my incredible subscribers for being the backbone to this channel. And to my viewers, your support means the world to me. To the future subscribers and first-time viewers, thank you for stopping by. Your presence is appreciated. And if you have enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. And now let's go ahead and continue to embellish this beautiful little riser. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the Y and the J with this acrylic red paint, and once that is again completely dry, then we'll go ahead and proceed to assemble everything together. And this little Y and the J, I found it at Dollar General. And of course, it was only $1, and the snow head was an ornament from Dollar Tree. And this is it. Now let's go ahead and jump into our final review. Isn't this gorgeous? Let me know in the comment section your thoughts, and I will see you in my next video.